So when you actually go ahead and add in members to your workspace, then automatically one team space is actually created right here, which is shared with everyone. But let's say you want to create another team space so that you can collaborate with a few other members only. In that case, you can go around onto the three dot button right here. And here you can actually see that new team space is an option. So over here, what you can actually do is, let's say, for example, add in a new team space name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say team 2 right here, add in a description as you like, and you can make it open or closed or make it default so that everyone in TutorTube Notion space becomes a member, or you can make it anyone can join the team space, or you can go ahead and make it closed as well so that anyone can see this team space but not join. So you can go ahead and create that particular team space right here. So now you can add in specific members to the team space. So let me just go ahead and skip this right here, just like this. And you can see the team space right here, the team 2 team space, as you can see right here. And I can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, pages to it as well. So if I were to go around onto my other account where I have shared the workspace right here, so you can see that if I were to go around onto more, I can actually see the team space right here, but I do have to request to join. So if I were to go ahead right here and please let me join, let me just go ahead and send this out. The other person can actually request, and then in the inbox right here, just like this, you get a notification where I can approve and deny the entry to that team. So I'm just going to go ahead and approve right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and approve it. And over here, you can see that if I were to go around over here, it says you have been invited to a team space and it has been approved. So now I can go ahead and access out that team space now. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see that I can add a new empty page right here, just like this as well, and then work around with that team space right here, just like this as well. And this is how you can go ahead and add in members to the team as well. So let me just go around over here on to team space settings. Then here you have access to the members right here, and whoever has the access to this particular team space, and so forth. And that is how you can create out new team spaces and change around the privacy level of that particular team space inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.